Hello, welcome to my Never Wonderland. I am Elsbeth, and tonight I have several unboxings to share with you. Ang tagal ko na hindi ito nagagawa. I haven't had the time kasi I'm now working 2 jobs. So yay to me. And now I had a few free time kahapon and today to unclog the memory of my phone kasi ang dami-dami ng pictures ko and videos na hindi pa na-post. Kaya naglinis muna ako ng phone after maglinis ng bahay. And now, I have free time and free space sa aking phone to do my unboxings. So, I have 4. First, siguro, ito, sakto. I barely made it to the ang tawag dito, yung due date or deadline. Hindi man deadline. Basta yung ending ng promo. Ito, tada! I got another planner from Starbucks. Yan. Kailan ba ito nakuha? Parang a day before the promo ended yata. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan because I've been waiting. This is going to be my third Starbucks planner. And then, so this is 1. Yan. And then, kinuha ko to, or niredeem ko to after namin kinuha ni husband naman itong mga binili namin from my cousin's online toy store, Tonyo Toys. Hi, Tonyo Toys. Si Wednesday, tinalikod ko lang para surprise. Tapos, si Pennywise. Yan. So, that's 3 things to unbox. And the last one, this is just a pretty generic, ang tawag dun, expensive toy before. I mean, nung ako'y kabataan. For something that I did not have growing up. I never had an original, tada, Barbie. Siyempre, tinalikod ko din. Pero kinuha ko lang generic kasi I was never really a fan of Barbie. I don't know. Basta hindi ako nagkaroon ng Barbie na original. No? Yung Barbie ko noon, yung pagka ginanon mo, ang buhok, walang hair yung ilalim. Parang may undercut siya. Anyway, unahin ko na kaya to. Mabilis lang to eh. Pretty generic lang yung binili ko. And it was a steal too. Dahil, not steal. Konting discount. Kasi ang binili ko lang, yung hindi, walang accessories kasi I don't really need those. Hindi naman ako maglalaro ng mga tiny little thingies na accessories niya. No? So, I just wanted to have one, yun nga, just to heal that inner child na hindi nagkaroon ng Barbie nung kabataan. And kinuha ko yung solo generic Barbie lang. Namura lang siya. Yung original price niya is $399. Tada! Yan. And it was on sale. So, $320 na lang siya. Yun. And ang purpose ko lang din naman, aside from healing my inner child or satisfying my inner child, is gawin siya ng mga crocheted na dresses. Diba? So, yun. Okay, so unahin natin siya. Unbox na natin without further ado. Ado. Yan. So, wala din siyang fancy dress. Ay. Ano ba ito? Generic lang yung dress niya na may nakasulat na Barbie. And ako na lang magdadamit sa kanya, diba? And maybe I could turn it into a business, sell crocheted Barbie dresses. Nakagawa na ako before for my office mate sa first job ko. Hi, Obet. Buhay pa ba yung ginawa ko sa yung purple na ball gown? Hindi man siya ball gown, lang, basta dress na siya. Ang hirap naman ito. Do I need to destroy the box? Wait. Yan, okay. Ay, ayaw naman ng ulo. Okay, try that. Okay, let's go. Yan. So, ayaw. Yan. Okay, so here she is in a pretty generic dress. And yung kanyang shoes, pink shoes. Di naman ako na in love sa Barbie before. Just wanted to have it now. Yan. And good thing din na nagkaraming timing din na meron merong ganitong naka-sale lang at mura lang na walang mga Parang ngayon ako nakita nito. Na ganito kamura. Ay, sorry. Nasasakal yung leg mo yata. Ano ba yan? I don't want to destroy the what's this? The karton. Sasabunutan ka. Ano ba yan? I don't have any scissors on me here. Yarn! May isa pa. Ako baka nasira ako to Yan. Ay, hindi naman. Ayun. Yan. Dry ang kanyang hair. Ayan. So, that's it. Si Pretty Barbie. Okay, hindi nababalaktot yung kamay niya. Sabi ni Mother, yun daw yung test ng totoong Barbie, nababalaktot ang kamay. Pero dahil original naman to, hindi nga lang siya yung mamahalin na mga Okay. That's it. I'll stop the video first and para may separate ako. Okay. So, yan. Look at the camera. Yan. Come to mama. Okay, bye.